Hello Fix family, welcome to the newest video. And this one is going to be more of a vlog video, the new series. And yeah, this is the first episode of Aluminum Track. I will stop saying aluminum. Aluminium Track frame set. And in a few minutes you will see which one I choose for the Aluminium Track frame. So as you can see, I'm in the Radplatz as most of the time. I mean, in my free time. So what I wanted to show you is that I have a couple of parts ready here, and the frame set is still on the shelf, but I'll go and show you, but just from the far distance. As I already told you, I'll show you the frame set. That one. And you can recognize the logo, of course. I wanted for this build to have my new merch on, but yeah, of course it's late and I don't want to wait anymore to build this bike. So I'm today in ATW merch. Well, at least I have my special shoes that I built for this bike. I mean, I ordered them. Walco built it for me, and yeah, they're quite okay. But more about them later. Today we are talking about the bike, and the bike is the most important thing today.
Nice cameraman.
What do we have here?
Some nice, really nice bike.
Yeah. Bike.
For some really nice tunes.
Yeah, some fine tuning. Noise, busy as always. It's past 7 and people are coming in. Sorry. Mark's bike from the last video. You probably saw it on Instagram. Some steel Colossi bike. Really uncomfortable. Nobody likes the handlebars. I like the look, but it's really uncomfortable. I mean, you can only ride in drops. But they are Nito, NJS. Of course, you have to be in drops and race. And what do we have here? Looks like something. Oh, carbon technology made in France, so it's Corima. Because of the carbon pattern, I would say it's Corima. Could be. But unfortunately it's not a track wheel. Yeah, same as Zip. It's not hollow, something is inside. And it's also flat. It's really strange to film with Insta360. Some nice parts. Can't wait to build this bike. I also wanted to show you my wheels, but you probably saw them. Serious wheels. It's GP5000 with a 10 wall. This cream color is so nice. I love it. Yeah.
Super.
Niklas is always a lady saver. Mark will clean it a little bit more. Max is ready to go home. Max, are you ready to go home? Thank you. Here's the bike.
Special.
Nothing special about it, it's just the color. But anyway, I'm happy. And we are about to start filming. Phone is ready, scenery is ready, bike is ready, here's the box. Workshop is ready. So clean, so nice, so beautiful. Wheels over there, the rest of the parts over here. And yeah, there's going to be an update video with the parts because I'll get another chainring maybe when the cranks. But yeah, more about it in the new video. Fun fact that I want to show you. For this special occasion, since this bike is a special one, Mark dyed his hair in the same color. He said, if the tires are matching with your frame, the builder has to match as well. So yeah, just look at him. He's matching perfectly. The bike is out of the box. It matches Mark's hair. Of course, it's a perfect match. It's 100% match. And yeah, we just talked about this part because on the black one, the rainbow, it was super dented, and this one is like super flat. So 100% underneath this paint is like probably tons of filler. I mean, not tons, but filler. That's for sure, because underneath you cannot see under any angle there's any imperfections. And the rainbows, like all of them, and we built 4, 5, yeah, all of them have dents on this part and some of them on the top tube as well. But yeah, we'll see with this one. Probably has the filler.
A little dent on the top tube.
Yeah,
Yeah.
is it?
Same. Did you see it?
Yeah, I cannot see it. Maybe camera fix it some angle. Or is it the paint imperfection?
No, it's a tiny dent. Yeah.
Is it also here?
But if you look from maybe from this side,
Oh,
you see it?
yeah, I see it. It's somewhere here.
I mean, it's just super small.
Yeah, it's really
But
small, but
curious that they all have it.
yeah. Unfortunately, the build quality. But yeah, as I said, it's the same frame as the rainbow. We can see it by the. Can you turn around the? Yeah, we can see it by the serial number. It says 23, and the 23 is the date when it was built, and that's the year for the rainbow. Also internal fucking routing that I will repaint these covers because they came in black and it's so stupid. Okay, let's continue with the dream build video. Okay, the other thing that I noticed, so you basically get this box with the frame. Sorry for the shaky footage. So you get a seat clamp screw, you get the expander for the fork neck, and then you get a headset. And the strange thing, like really strange thing, you will receive this spacer without any Columbus logo on it, and plus it's aluminum, so it's heavy as fuck. You will get these covers for the internal routing, which is awful. So what we have here is the spacer. It has Columbus on it, and it's made out of carbon that they are also selling, but they are not putting on on the newest bikes. Look how it looks like. Perfect fit. It's the best. This looks strange. This part? It's not the same like this one.
That's if you look from this side.
Yeah. Like here is way thinner. So because of that, fork could be offset. And you can see all how the oh man, this is also thicker than this part here. Come on, Cinelli, why? Let's see from the bottom part. I basically cannot see it. No, it looks like it's okay from the bottom. At least what I can see. Maybe the camera can see better. So what's up with the paint here? Can you see the difference? This is so strange. It is what it is. False alarm. It it was just the angle. Who stupid I am. But anyway, I didn't like it. Mark said it's all good.
Special technique.
Basically, he is cutting the same point and rotating the fork.
Yes. So it doesn't tear out. And now if you have like put a little what do you call it? Incision? Incision?
What do you mean?
If you put like a little what's it called? Cut line? No.
Yeah.
If you cut all around the fork, around the outside, it doesn't tear out so easily. And then you can just keep over it. Make sure you spray some water on it so it doesn't dust, you don't get it in the air. It's bad for your lungs.
You don't die from cutting the forks.
Zack.
So the people from the internet.
If you done it right, then it will look like this. Nice and straight. Just hit it with a tiny bit of sandpaper and you're good to go.
Yeah. For more wise advices, come to Radplatz. Yeah, there are some troubles here. We broke the nut on the non-drive side of crankshaft. I mean, yeah, shit happens. This is a real story. You cannot fake it. So I'll leave this camera here to roll while we are filming the dream video over there and hustle with the broken parts. It is what it is. That's life. Okay, we have the sound, but we don't know what is it. Really? But it's a 10? Yes. No, you are taking the extractor like that.
Yeah, I want the extractor. I only want the extractor and then I'll turn out the ball.
Oh, no, you're winning. You see? It's moving.
Yeah, but it was already there. That's why I heated it up. It's already moved.
No, just.
Heat it up again because I think there's a thread locker on it.
Yeah. Me too. different angle. Maybe come to this side. Oh, it's the green one. Yeah, that's right. Shit.
And a lot of it.
Like I put it. So, noise. Throw a thread locker on it as well. Prepare yourself. Okay. Like it's either me, bolt, or a frame.
So that is probably still in yours. Okay.
I never saw that one. I never removed the extractor from it.
Just drop it here to the side.
This one doesn't have the spark.
I think the spark's broken on
No.
it. 250.
Okay. Now it's connecting.
Should we put thread locker on it or?
Yeah.
Cool. What are we doing? Pedals or wheels?
Yeah.
Let's go pedals.
Okay, we need sprocket. If you have a 17,
Yes.
yes, you were saying in silver? No, only in black.
You can also look here because some are missed.
16.
Looks like there's some 17 in there.
What's up? 16.
Only have meat in silver.
Just take the black one.
So what is one?
Yeah, but it's weekend. Like it.
You don't like it?
Not that I don't like it, but yeah. It's nice that that one is shiny.
Go fit the grain.
Yes. I also brought BTS. Yeah, how's your book?
Nice. Now put, do you want to film the wheels or how are we doing it?
Mark, how do you like the wheels?
I built the wheels. I like them.
So they are the best. And they're also Dutch, like Mark. I mean, at least the rims. That looks sick.
Let's put some extra gold on your bike.
Some gold?
Some copper.
Oh shit. And then you are not allowing me to run the golden chain.
Oh, that's very...
It had a thread locker on it, so
Okay,
that's why it's so dirty. It's not going easily. And I haven't cleaned it. Oh, look at that gold chain on it.
That's sick.
I think so too.
That looks nice. Come on. That's nice.
Shit. Combination is just, it's crazy. Somehow even the chainring and the cranks are matching.
Mm-hmm. Sick. So
Oh yeah.
it's the favorite tool in the shop. We need to put in a chain first.
Yeah, but on the front wheels.
Okay, let's do it in the front.
Let's do it in the front.
I like it.
Let's do it again with showing, because the light was. Ah shit! Wait. Ah yeah.
Perfetto. Are you thinking gold chain? Kind of works.
Kinda works, but wait. Let's ask my advisor. Šta misliš, da li bi stavimo zlatan lanac?
absolutely silver.
Even see it back.
Super toughness. Really nice in it.
Oh yeah.
Kind of like it with the gold, I think. Or is it too much?
I don't know, I'm not sure. Kinda like it, but
I mean, this one I like with the tire.
yeah, but that's like old. But you know I think the super toughness will also make some patina, so it will bleach, let's say, a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Baci pogled molim te na video koje sam ti poslao. Pitanje života. I thought that like, it's a laugh at that question. Is it all the way in the... No, of course not.
A tiny bit not, otherwise it drops. Yeah, say which one you want.
I don't know. Ask my advisor. Shoot. I'll probably say silver one.
Silver?
I don't know. But...
Silver will also fit with this.
Yeah, with the decals, but also if I change the chain ring for the silver one, then definitely will match better.
Yeah, silver chain ring with golden chain will look.
Yeah.
Or black chain.
Yeah, but
Or black chain will also look good.
Even emotions. She's saying with the how to transfer it, like she doesn't want to accept it, like you know, but it looks like that the golden maybe is the best. But I also now said, but she also said she also said the silver because of the details looks nice, and then she saw the black one and she said 1 out of 1. Yeah, probably the black one is the best because
Black one? Yeah, you can't go wrong with the black one.
yeah, but maybe we'll change it for the silver one when the chainring arrives.
Sure.
Because then I would probably switch it also for the silver Suginos.
Yeah.
To have more silver details.
I would actually need to put on the Runwell bolts.
Think so.
And they're black.
Yeah, just like that from there. It's funny how we are doing these things like every day. We're not even enjoying them. You know. Is it the brand new Cinelli? Okay. Carbon wheels. This chain, that chain. You know.
Yeah. Let's see what kind of clearance we have. For the sake of it, it's
Perfect.
yeah, I looked away. Is it on there? It will be tight. Is it okay if it's so tight?
Yeah. Either battery or memory is off. Definitely was the best choice.
Yeah. Not so much room in your frame, right? Yeah, no problem.
For the back.
Nice.
Is it the back?
Let's film how we change one out.
Oh no.
We'll just take one this off. We'll put a new one on. We'll get them out of the pack, it's better.
Yeah, but let's remove this one first.
The back. Just the front. Go. See? Yeah, it looks nice. Very nice.
That's the other. No, it should be. Nice. Let's make some. Did they fucking mix them? Probably they were falling in that. Yeah, they were falling in there. I like it.
Nice! Let's do the front and then we're good to go. Then we'll put on the... Will I take them out of the pack or no?
No.
Just unscrew one and put the other one on?
Yeah. Just put the. Yeah, we haven't filmed this because Mark didn't want to film it for Cinelli. But honestly, I don't care because I like Cinelli and I want them to be better. This is pure trash. And we'll continue with this. A carbon fiber one.
Starting this tiny bit.
I just wanted to show you the end result. Bike looks sick. I love it. With all the black and white accents and these tires in the cream. I mean, looks amazing. The color of the frame is just really strange. It's some kind of the off-white, but you see it's shifting between the white and this yellowish creamy white, and plus it's pearlistic, so it changed the color in the sun. It's super sick. I love it. I hope you like it too. Let me know in the comments what you think about this bike and the complete build as well, and about my mechanic, my good friend Mark, who painted his hair just for this
Special white.
for this build.
Now it's,
Can you please explain how the color came for the Cinelli?
okay, imagine the bike being pure white.
Like the top of the
This,
saddle?
yes. But you leave it in the smoker's room on the train station for 20 years, then it will look like this. There's like a, I would call this color nicotine chic.
Nicotine chic. Yeah, definitely, but this looks
No, the color is nice.
sick.
It's sick. I
Yes,
like it.
especially with all the parts. Honestly, I couldn't imagine that it's going to be like
No.
like this nice.
I like the tires. I like it with the cream tires.
Yeah, I told you that they all look sick. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. And yeah, we tried to show you like behind the scene video how we are doing it and how much fun we are actually having while doing it. And look at the bike, it looks sick. Again, thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, or dislike, whatever you like. Thank you so much for 1,000 followers, and we'll continue doing this. So stay tuned, and until the next one, enjoy the ride. Bye bye. I'm tired as fuck. You see, what time is it?